Living things are unique because they have special features that make them alive. Every living thing, like plants, animals, and even tiny germs, has a body that is made up of small parts called cells. These cells work together, much like different people in a team, to keep the living thing healthy and active. One important secret of life is that all living things need three main things: air, water, and food. Air helps most living things breathe. For example, we need air to breathe in oxygen, which gives us the energy to run, play, and think. Even plants rely on air. While plants take in carbon dioxide, they also produce oxygen, which helps other living things breathe. Water is another must-have. Water helps everything inside our bodies and a plant's body work properly. It carries important nutrients to different parts, helps cool us down when it's hot, and keeps our cells happy and healthy. Food, on the other hand, gives us energy. When we eat food, our bodies change it into fuel, much like a car uses gas to move. Plants make food from sunlight through a process called photosynthesis, which is just their way of making their own energy. All living things have a life cycle, which is like a journey from being born to growing up, responding to the world around them, and then making new living things. Imagine a tiny seed that grows into a big, beautiful tree. First, the seed is born, then it grows roots and leaves. It learns how to face the sun and drink water. After some time, the tree becomes strong and even starts to create more seeds, so new trees can grow. In the same way, you grew from a tiny baby to who you are today and will one day help new lives grow around you. Living things also know how to respond. This means they can feel things around them and change what they do. For instance, if you touch something hot, you quickly pull your hand away. Similarly, plants turn their leaves toward the sunlight, and animals move away if something scares them. Finally, the way living things make new living things is called reproduction. Reproduction is how you might have brothers, sisters, or even a whole class of friends. It can happen in different ways. Some living things, like plants, can spread their seeds and grow new ones by themselves, while others need a partner to help make a new life. In simple words, living things are special because they are organized from the tiniest cells to whole bodies. They need air, water, and food to stay alive, and they go through an exciting journey of growing, feeling about their surroundings, and making new life. This cycle of life keeps nature full of wonder and ever-changing magic.
Tuition Near Me, your number one portal for everything that is related to education. See you at tuitionnearme.com.